I'm not the kind of filmmaker who gets inspired sitting at home. That's why I collaborated with SmallRig to create my own mobile filmmaking kit for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I get my ideas by going out on the street. I start seeing the compositions, hearing the sounds, and when the timing is right, I get the shot. My kit comes with dual handles with an all-new quick release for extra versatility, and a variable ND filter so I can adapt to any light. In top handle mode, I can get dynamic low-angle shots on the run. And single handle mode is great for getting selfies with a secure grip. But the real point of my cage kit is having freedom to instantly reconfigure to get any shot I can imagine. So when the opportunity strikes, I'm ready to catch it. And when I travel, my kit goes with me, letting me capture the beauty of the world in richer quality than ever before. So I never have to miss a sunset or a hidden side street. Movement is at the heart of my filmmaking and at the heart of my life. Meeting new people, experiencing different ways of enjoying the day. And I'm always looking to go just a little further. And now I have a filmmaking kit that can stay with me wherever the journey may go. I'm Brandon Lee, and this is my kit. So, what are we going to shoot today?